Hello, yeah. So welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Rundel technology company. Yeah, so since last month and this month, yeah, I've been receiving some death comments from Wodemaya's fans. Yeah, at times I'll be doing some video without mentioning Wodemaya's name in it, but they will still come at me, insult me and things. I don't know why like Wodemaya fans think that I hate Wodemaya. One thing is I don't know. One thing is maybe I'm the biggest fan of Wodemaya's more than them. I love Wodemaya more than them, but I don't know the reason why they're always in my comments trying to insult me, and because they insult me and I will never reply them, they think I fear them, something like that. Nah, because Charlie, I know what I'm doing. Is it a thing? So now I'm going to I couldn't nah, is it a thing? Because if I'm trying to achieve some aim and you're trying to throw stones at my back, there's no way I should go back to fight you. And I'm mini aim, is it a thing? Yeah, so I'm trying to go forward with my works. Yeah, I don't know why they think I hate Wodemaya. I don't hate Wodemaya. I don't. Yeah, me, I see Wodemaya as a great person, a legend, something like that. I don't hate him. I just saw something and I did a video about it. And yeah, my opinion, I know your opinion, it's not the same. So you dislike my opinion, that's your own thing. But that doesn't mean every video I will do, you'll come in my comment section and insult me. Yo, that's silly. That's really silly. And one thing is, like, I don't know, I have some two people, Pinebua, Bibi Kodia, and some chronic yo niggas. I'm giving it hype. My mom with me, so I'm giving it hype. You don't like Wodemaya more than me, never. But if we see something and we have to correct it, you will do it. So I don't know why you niggas think that you like Wodemaya more than me, something like that. Yo, Charlie, you don't like the nigga more than me. You don't like the nigga more than me. So just stop pretending, do some things. Then Wodemaya will be saying that, yo, when these niggas are my real fans, yo motherfucker, you're not real fans of Wodemaya. You're not real fans of Wodemaya. Bro, I'm a slicing the crab up. Is it that thing? I like the guy, and I saw something that needs to be corrected, and I did it. So, like, he's past, I'm doing my own thing, Charlie. So stop commenting rubbish and under my comment section, yo, because you don't like the guy more than me. So please put a stop to it, because you don't like Wodemaya more than me. And I went to Twitter, lots of people retweet my things like, yo nigga, you don't like the nigga more than me, bro. Only like me, only time I'm sharing the videos, not today. Every crying I said I will about YouTube. Me, I was on YouTube 2011. I was on YouTube. Maybe I was saying about YouTube. I was on YouTube. Maybe I wasn't doing content, but I was on YouTube. You can check on the dates I created YouTube. You can check it. So 2011 I was on YouTube, bro. I'm an OG on YouTube. Then time can I become on new phone? Then time maybe on new phone. Charlie, you just want a tall laptop on the phone, my you, but you internet in them. So stop doing that thing, like as you say, like we dislike the nigga. We saw something that needs to be corrected and we do it. We did that thing and right now it's past and gone. So if I would do some video, last time I did a video about how to create dollar accounts in Uganda, and some people were saying that because Wodemaya is in Uganda, that's why I did that video. What the fuck is that, bro? You don't like the nigga more than me. So stop pretending. I say like meaning the more yes, I'm show the deal. Cut camera on the crowd.